The Council of Ministers and Junior Ministers are part of the government, but are not members of the Council of Ministers. The Council of Ministers' origins date to the production of the Albertine Statute by the Kingdom of Sardinia in 1848. The statute, which subsequently became the Constitution of the Kingdom of Italy, did not envision collegial meetings of individual ministers, but simply the existence of ministers as heads of their ministries, responsible for their operations. The Council of Ministers subsequently developed as a constitutional convention, and the office of the President of the Council emerged from the need to coordinate the activities of the individual ministers. The office of the Council of Ministers is regulated by the Constitution and consists of all powers of the Council of Ministers rest in the hands of the President of the Republic until the ministers assume their offices, after the President of the Republic signs the appointment decrees. But before being able to exercise their functions, the Prime Minister and the ministers must take an oath of office according to the formula laid out in Article 1.3 of Law N. 401,988. The oath expresses the necessity of trust which is incumbent on all citizens, but especially on those holding public office. According to Article 94 of the Constitution, government can have its confidence revoked. Indeed, the motion of no confidence must be signed by at least 1/10 of the members of the House, and cannot be discussed for at least 3 days following its proposal. Once discussed, it must be voted through nominal appeal. Furthermore, while the recall of single ministers is not explicitly regulated, procedural practice allows for an individual motion of no confidence. The first such case was Filippo Mancuso in 1995. The functions of the Council of Ministers are disciplined by the Constitution and by Law N. 400 of 23 August 1988. The Council of Ministers within a parliamentary form of government is the principal holder of executive power, that is, the power to put a decision of the Italian political process into effect. The members of the Council of Ministers, even if they leave their positions, are subject to the jurisdiction of the courts for activities committed in their official capacity, only with the authorization of one of the chambers of the Parliament. As the main organ of the executive power, the primary role of the Council of Ministers is the actualization of a given national policy. The Constitution provides it with the following means for doing this. The current Italian government is led by Mario Draghi. As of February 2021, the government has 23 ministers, of whom 9 are without portfolio. The presidents of the regions with special statute have the right to participate in sessions of the Council of Ministers in matters relevant to them are discussed. The presidents of Sardinia, Friuli Venezia Giulia, Aosta Valley, and Trentino Alto Adige, Sud Tyrol have only a consultative vote, while the president of Sicily has a full vote in the rank of a minister.